Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for coming out. For all those of you who missed my presentation yesterday, I had proposed coming up with an augmented reality mobile application with specific focus on museums and tourism. So the question is, why does Qatar need this? My answer would be actually a couple of headlines that probably caught our attention the past few days. The first one is, Tourism Authority of Qatar wants this nation to attract the most sophisticated traveler. Mass tourism is not a vision. And the second one, today's headlines is $66 billion are going to be invested to upgrade the technology within this country. So what we are proposing goes hand in hand with Qatar's initiatives. And moving on, the second important thing is, how are we going to monetize this? I mean, it's a good idea, but is it really good if it doesn't sell? So to make it investment friendly, we want to attract sponsorships from major Q companies to adopt this technology and integrate this into their plan, into the digital media strategy. So we talked about museum and tourism earlier, but the fact is that this technology can be used seamlessly across aviation, transportation, the Road Transport Authority, healthcare, construction, etc., etc. So the scope is really, really endless, and the sky is the limit. Actually, talking about technology, how we are placed, we've partnered with Total Immersion, which is the market leader, who are the market leaders in this innovation. So we have an in-house team of 3D artists, of scripters who actually do these projects in-house. We do not farm this out. We take every project very seriously, and our commitment is there with all our projects. So, moving on, I would like to talk about the fact that why are we using, how are we going to promote this? We're going to promote this. The first thing in communication is that the medium is the message. ICT Qatar actually recently revealed figures. The mobile penetration in this country is at 183%, which means, and these numbers are growing and they're really quite substantial. So we want to use the power of mobile to reach out to the target audience who is actually going to consume this content. To summarize, I think this innovation will put Qatar in the league of countries that have managed to fuse history with the cutting-edge technology. And I would like to show a short video to show how this technology works. And if you have any questions as to how this would work for your brand or your business, I'm more than happy to answer those questions. Do you want the video? Yes. So basically, this is an iPhone app that was created by AXA, which is a car insurance company, and this idea was executed in the Netherlands. So basically, you put an ad on top in your print ad, your general print ads. They're basically static. How do you give them a digital twist? You actually put your iPhone with the application on, and the whole ad comes to life. So you're kind of giving traditional print a digital twist, and you're creating engagement which usually doesn't really happen on traditional media. So this is the medium. It's really, really powerful. It really does work, especially when it comes to museums, because today's generation, the younger crowd, doesn't really like to appreciate art and heritage and culture. They're more like, oh, it's boring, it's old stuff, but you give it a new twist, you make it work. So that's the idea.